In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sort last in TradingView 2026. If you want to quickly organize your watch list based on the most recent price value, TradingView makes that very simple. Sorting by last is useful when you want to compare instruments at a glance and better understand how prices are lining up in your list. This can help you monitor market movement more efficiently, especially if you're tracking several stocks, forex pairs, or crypto assets at once. To get started, go to TradingView and open your chart layout. Once you're on the main chart screen, direct your attention to the right-hand side of the platform. This is where your watch list is typically located, along with other side panel tools. If the panel is already visible, you're ready to continue. If not, just make sure the watch list area is open so you can interact with it. Next, move your cursor over the watch list section. As you hover there, you'll be able to see the columns that organize your symbols and market data. The watch list is designed to let you sort different types of information, and in this case, we're focusing on the last column. This column represents the latest recorded price for each symbol in your list. Now click on Last to sort. Once you do that, TradingView will reorder the assets in your watch list based on their last price. Depending on the current order and how the platform is set up, the list may sort from lower values to higher values, or the other way around if you click again. If you don't get the order you want on the first click, try clicking the same column one more time to reverse it. After sorting, you'll be able to see the movements more clearly in the context of the latest prices shown in the list. This makes it easier to scan through your watch list without manually checking each symbol one by one. It's a simple adjustment, but it can save time and make your workspace feel much more organized. And that's it. The watch list will now show the last values in sorted order, helping you quickly identify where each asset stands based on its most recent price. If you regularly review multiple markets, this is a helpful feature to keep in mind because it gives you a faster way to read your list and spot changes. Once you get used to it, sorting your watch list becomes a quick habit that improves your overall workflow in TradingView.